Man the defenses. Understanding a timeless phrase. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into an intriguing English phrase that's rich in history and meaning. Man the defenses might sound like something straight out of a medieval battle scene, but it's a phrase that carries significant weight and relevance even in modern times. Join us as we decode its meaning, origins, and how it's used today. Man the defenses is a phrase that immediately conjures up images of soldiers preparing for battle. But what does it really mean? To man something, in this context, is to staff or occupy a position with people ready to perform a duty. Defenses, on the other hand, refer to protective measures against an attack. Put together, man the defenses is a call to action, urging people to take their positions and prepare to protect or defend against an impending challenge or threat. This phrase has its roots deeply embedded in military jargon. In historical times, especially during sieges and wars, commanders would order their troops to man the defenses, a critical call to guard the fortifications and prepare for the enemy's assault. It was not just about physical readiness. It was also about mental preparedness and the collective spirit to protect what was important at all costs. While its origins are martial, man the defenses has transcended beyond the battlefield. In today's context, it's used in various scenarios, often metaphorically. From sports commentators discussing a team's defensive strategy to business leaders strategizing against market competition, man the defenses embodies a readiness and resilience against challenges. It's about being vigilant, prepared, and proactive. Let's put man the defenses into context with some examples. 1. Corporate. As the market becomes more competitive, we need to man the defenses and ensure our product remains the top choice for consumers. 2. Personal development. When facing criticism, it's important to man the defenses of your self-esteem and focus on your personal growth. 3. Sports. With the other team on the offensive, our coach called for the players to man the defenses and protect our lead. From its historical military origins to its modern metaphorical applications, man the defenses remains a powerful expression of readiness, resilience, and determination. Whether you're safeguarding a fortress, protecting your market share, or simply fortifying your own convictions, this phrase encapsulates the spirit of preparedness against any challenge. We hope this exploration has not only enhanced your vocabulary but also inspired you to man the defenses in your own life's battles. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep learning and exploring.